Good evening.
I'll be delivering my third speech from the prolific speaker module, which is like share your views. And my topic lies in the context of relationship. And it's like what man and woman say, but what they actually mean. Man have discovered the fire, but women have discovered how to play with it. Men always say that they are straightforward creatures. They actually mean what they say. But the truth is quite different from that. And if there is a thing which is more difficult to understand than Uday Chopra getting films like Dhoom 3, it's like words coming from woman's mouth. It's just like witnessing an illusionary act by a magician, and you can say, wow, really? So I'll start with some magical words and try to analyze them. And as it said that ladies first, so I'll first analyze the girls part. Suppose a boy loves a girl and he proposes her. Now he considers it to be a close-ended question. It means the answer would be either yes or no. But the girl reply was like, yes, I do like you, but just as a friend. Now where does this but comes into the picture? This but has changed his life within a second. And moreover, she is just trying to say that, look, you can't date me, but you can take me out, you can buy me a dinner, or you can do anything. Another awesome reply to a proposal by a girl is like, no, I don't want any boyfriend right now. But I didn't get the meaning of now. It's just like inflation is high these days, you can't afford a boyfriend, or it's just like Achhe Din hasn't come till yet. Moreover, she's trying to say that I don't want you as a boyfriend, but we can be friends. And there you go into the friend zone again. The next is the most common word we can see in daily life is like fine. This fine has two different meanings. One is generally when you talk to a friend like, hey, how are you? And the reply is like, I'm very fine, how about you? Another is, for example, say there is an argument going on between you and your girlfriend, and you say, what happened, sweetheart? Nothing, I'm fine. That fine with a capital F. Trust me, when you hear that word, it's better to say okay and just run away from it. Because you have to pay for it later. Moreover, this fine is between two words. One is whatever and another is go to hell. I don't care. The next word, which is like we need to talk. Look at this sentence. 4 words, we need to talk. Just segregate the 3 words and emphasize the significance of this we, which is nothing actually. It's like, I need to talk, I will complain, and you like an obedient boyfriend will listen to me. It's actually, we can't do anything, we have to listen to her. The next is, okay, so for example, the argument is going on and sometimes girls reply like, nothing has happened or nothing. But actually there is something. And she is expecting us to find out the meaning of that something from nowhere. Maybe she is busy all night partying with her friends, but we have a task on her to find out the meaning of that something. Then we can think like that, okay, it's something related to what happened last night or even day before that. When in the date I forget to say her, you are looking so beautiful, and that even 3 times. I said it 2 times. Maybe I missed 3rd time. So if this something is related to that. Now look at the boy's point, boy's perspective from it. Have you ever heard the boy saying, I really want to get to know better? Boys used to come up with these lines, hey, I really want to know you better. And if a girl loves a boy, she might say that, oh, the boy really loves me, he likes me, he wants to know me more. But the truth is, boy just loves to show off in front of his friends. Hey dude, I know her. We are dating since last 3 days. She loves chocolate, she loves ice cream, the list goes on. So it's just another way to add on to show in front of your friends. Another example is like, okay, so boys do come up with this line also. You are the only girl I've ever cared about in my life. Really? Do you think so? Like that? It's just like they are saying, thank you so much. You are the only one who hasn't dumped me till yet. The next is, when a boy says to you, I was just thinking about you and I bought you these roses. This line could flatter any girl, and it's just a way to avoid any kind of argument. But the thing is, the boy is thinking in his mind that, oh my god, the girl selling these roses on the corner was a real bait. And I would love to buy these roses for you daily now, baby. The next word which lines used to say, okay, it's like I broke up with her. Sitting in a pub with the friends and having a beer in your hand, boys used to shout, hey, I broke up with her. She's so irritating. All time messages, you stop talking to me, you don't love me anymore, you have changed. And so what if I have changed? The fact is, we all know, girl dumped that boy. Man will be man, so they just don't stop showing off in front of their friends. And it's just like, I dumped her, yeah, and even twice. The next is, honey, we don't need material things to prove our love, do we? It's just like avoiding the situation when you forget her birthday, and even that on a present on a birthday. So just trying to say these things, and even saying that if you are going to hit me again, let me say you are the most beautiful girl I have ever seen in my life, and you are the only girl I have ever cared about. And the meaning of these two lines I have already explained to you. So in the end, I just want to conclude with the saying that you love to be in a relationship, to be happy, to smile, to have memories, where the relation is more of like caring and affectionate and love. No matter, so, and these words which I have just explained you is a part of this relationship. No matter whether you can understand the meaning or not. And through my speech, I was just trying to portray a different or a funny side of relationship. And by doing so, if I hurt anyone's emotion, trust me, I didn't mean to do that. So thank you so much.